Hello viewers, this is Dr. Wahid Beg from Jaipur. You are watching Gul Nilofar. This is a practical approach to the identification of Gul Nilofar and learning the methodology of Sharbat Gul Nilofar. This is cleaned Gul Nilofar, ready to be prepared into Sharbat Gul Nilofar. This is the level of cleanliness which we use in syrups, and if we want to put it into majuns and other pastes, then we have to clean it further so that not a single bit of dust remains. We have to remove all such particles, otherwise they affect the tasting experience. For 1 kg of Gul Nilofar, we use 4 kg of sugar. Although a lot of books and market preparations mention 1 kg of sugar for 100 gram of Gul Nilofar, but that is far less concentration. The syrup that we prepare has higher concentration and thus needs lesser dose. And that is what we prefer and practice. This is a level 2 of cold and wet herb, which is why it is an effective remedy in cold born off of heat or bile-induced fever. Also in cases of anxiety and anxiousness during summers and cough during summers. In nocturnal emissions as well, it is a good remedy. Even a powder of Nilofar's root, also known as Netrabala, will work good in that case. Similarly, during summers when chickenpox ails people, Nilofar Sharbat yields great results after red bumps break out. It can also be used to make Rogan and has similar effects like Rogan Banafsha in cases of headaches during summers, which is why its replacement can be Gul Banafsha. Although if there are issues which are born off of cold nature of the body, then it should not be used, otherwise Gul Nilofar can yield negative effects. But especially in cases of summertime born fever and other ailments, it is an essential medicine and should be used in everyone's practice. Misri can be used as a corrective combination with Nilofar in cases of any side effects. Also in cases of bladder related issues and certain sexual problems and brain related issues. But in bile related problems, it has excellent results. Soak these petals in water and we will let them stay soaked for 24 hours. And after that, we will boil it and then squash it to extract its juices. And then we will move on to preparing its syrup. Let us see the third step of Sharbat Nilofar preparation. Here we are boiling the Nilofar petals after having them soaked for 12 hours, after which they will be left to cool and then we will have to move on to prepare the juice.
जाएगा ठंडा होने के बाद इसको मसल करके और इसका जूस निकाला जाएगा और फिर उसको शरबत में ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जाएगा.
This is an important step in Gul Nilofar's preparation. The Nilofar petals are being mashed up. They will be prepared to get the juice.
Hours they are being mashed and they will be filtered to get juice.
This is the juice of Gul Nilofar. If you look closely, we can see that after being left to set for 6 hours, the heavy particles have started to deposit at the base of it. The sedimentation process takes at least 6 hours to start and then another 6 hours to complete. So they have to be kept for a total of 12 hours.
Gul Nilofar का particles बहुत ज़्यादा light होते हैं तो वो continue to float in water for a long time. और इन अदर मेडिसिन्स में ये नहीं होता है, बहुत जल्दी सेडिमेंट हो जाते हैं, इसलिए इसको 12 आवर्स ऑलमोस्ट रखना पड़ता है, तब ये सेडिमेंट होता है और उसके बाद इसको एक बार फिर से छान कर और शरबत बनाया जाता है. ये एक बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकल और एक्सपीरियंस की चीज़ है. देखिए आप ऑब्ज़र्व करें इसको अच्छी तरह से कि अब सेडिमेंट होने लगा है. नाउ फाइनली डियर लर्नर्स ऑफ यूनानी कंपाउंड्स, watch the final stage of Sharbat Nilofar.
This is the final stage of Sharbat Nilofar. Please observe the size of these bubbles, the speed of their generation and their color. All of it's important to note as the Sharbat reached its completion. Within 2 minutes of this stage, the Sharbat will get ready. Thanks for watching.